So then only I will know. Then only I will know how to trade and all those things. But initially I traded in only Nifty and Bank Nifty options. So I don't have any idea on this stocks and stock options and all. So after I taking the classes, I started in October 1st onwards. Actually, I started my real trading. So since August 1st, so I'm performing well, and since 5 days actually I'm performing really well actually. So since the last 15 days, I made around 90K profit, but actually there is a loss also. There is a 30K loss also. Setting of net income, mine is last 15 days 50K is my net income actually. So and in the recent days also, because I am following with the Raju sir what he is saying actually. So EMA 20 breakout and all. So and the same concepts I am following. But whenever there is a opportunity, so we need to capitalize it. Those are the things we need to concentrate actually. So Raju sir asked me to explain how will you take the trades and all. So, sir, actually, I will take the trades on the basis of the EMA 20 only at present. But in the EMA 20 also, the entry point would be, first of all, I will check in the daily time frame and hourly time frame. Is there any possibility for the EMA 20 breakout? If there is a possibility for the EMA 20 breakout, and I will check the volumes as well, and in the 5 or 10 minutes chart. And at the same time, is there any possibility to get the support in the support from the EMA 20 in 5 minutes or 15 minutes time frame? This is the major thing where I actually take the entry. So if in the 5 minutes chart, if I will give you an example. Example means actually, if I identify one stock, that it will definitely cross the EMA 20 line today. So I will go into the 5 minutes or 10 minutes time frame. So if it is decreasing in the 5 or 10 minutes time frame, so I will check that is there any the volumes are near to EMA 20 line or not. If the volumes are EMA 20 line, if not if it is near to EMA 20 line, I will wait for that. So once it is reaches this thing EMA 20 line, then only I will take the entry. Okay. So entry exit point and all. So there is nothing actually on the basis of the profit itself I will take. And if there is any supply zones also, daily supply zones also, I identify the daily supply zones. On the basis of that also, I will take the exit point. But in a matter of last 5 days, actually, I never went into the loss actually because of Raju sir and all. He is very cooperative. Mine is that is the thing actually. So, but now my net loss almost 3,000 actually. Earlier it was 85K. Now it is 3,000 only. Those are the things. And I have observed few things while doing the trading as well. So I will explain how I am taking the trades and how what are the things I observed. I usually check in the opportunities in the stock in the EMA. As I told you that EMA 20 line. So first observe the EMA 20 daily and then hourly and then 15 minutes or 5 minutes. 15 minutes or 5 minutes for taking the entry itself actually. If in case of 5 minutes or 15 minutes, if it is crossing the EMA 20 line, then it is better to take the entry then only, because after that the volumes will be very high. Whatever the movement shown in the hourly time frame or daily time frame, it is depends on the 15 minutes or 5 minutes time frame only. So that is the major thing. And if the stock rallies on EMA 20 hourly and daily, and if you miss it because you missed the movement, then don't take the at higher level. Wait till the day end, then enter at the day end. Okay, because once stock goes up, no, definitely it will come down. If you take the entry at higher level, you will be in loss. And one more thing, why I am saying that enter at the day end bolke. If you enter at the day end, because once it crossed the EMA 20 daily and hourly, then definitely that the movement will be there in for at least 2 to 3 days. Okay. So even if it is crossing today itself, if you are taking the entry at the day end, definitely there will be some profit for tomorrow or day after tomorrow. That is the one thing I have observed. And if the stock rally tries to give the breakout but failed to sustain on the daily EMA, but don't be disappointed, because actually once it tries, no, it definitely will give the breakout in coming 2 or 3 days. Just to keep a track of it. Just the movements of those stocks which tries to give the breakout but failed. Okay. These are the main points actually. Actually, Sar suggested what the Biocon movement will be good, so you can take the entry and all. So, but actually, Sar said in the 5 minutes that I have checked it in the Biocon, it is getting down actually. So in the 5 minutes, so that's why I waited till the price come to my notice. When it reaches to EMA 20 line, then only in the 5 minutes time frame, then only I took the entry. I told to Sar also on the day, actually at the time only I am starting with Sar actually. So I hope Sar also observe the same thing. Those are the things actually I need to share with you. Sir, I'm just quitting. Hello.
Oh, okay, sir. Anything else you would like to say?
Nothing, sir. Actually, those are what are the points I would like to share. I share the same.
Okay, I got it. I got it.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your sincere explanation. It feels good if somebody is explaining the things which he has understood openly, because if we share the things, we will definitely. Yes, definitely we will improve much better. That's what I feel. So sharing our knowledge will definitely enhance our knowledge.
Thank
Okay.
you, sir. Thank you so much.
Raju sir, I thank you very much. Some of the things what you told, I will just highlight because some of the people are getting confused. I got it very clearly what you were trying to say, and I was following it. As on that day we were discussing about Biocon trade, then only it started moving. So some of the things, and some of the people who don't know what we almost, I think all the students know about EMA 20 concept or EMA 20 breakout concept, because we are following it regularly. Those who are new, you may find it slightly difficult. Okay, so I think I'll try to explain. But before that, what we will do is we will ask Bharadwaj sir to explain like what all parameters he will check before he takes up a trade. Okay, then I will try to summarize the things. Then we will take the questions at the end of the session. Right. So Bharadwaj sir, if you are there, please. If you can continue from here. Sir, if you are there. Okay, I think he was here. He left. I don't know. Okay. So he was here. I have seen. Okay. Anyways, I will show you what sir was telling. Raju sir was telling. I'll just highlight it. So I will open Trade Tiger and I will show you what things he was trying to speak. Bharadwaj sir, I think you have joined. Can you take? Can you continue if you are there? If I am audible to you.
Yes, sir.
Bharadwaj sir. I think he's maybe logging in. I had asked Kiran sir also. Maybe Kiran sir is busy. Just I wanted to know, means just give an idea about how our students are doing, so that others can also adopt and learn some things from these Raju sir, Kiran sir, and Bharadwaj sir. So that's what. And definitely, a few points what Raju sir told, definitely they are helpful. Definitely they are helpful. Wait. So just I'll summarize by the time, if Kiran sir or Bharat sir can speak. I'll just highlight what Raju sir told you before, because he did not use screen sharing. I will
Hello,
show
sir.
you. Okay. So,
हेलो
हाँ, yes sir.
हाँ सर एक्चुअली मैं
हाँ,
कार चला रहा हूँ और तो थोड़ा मैं सुन रहा हूँ सब, लेकिन ड्राइविंग कर रहा हूँ इसलिए गड़बड़ हो रहा है सब.
ओके सर, जब आप फ्री हो जाओ आप बात कर लोगे क्या?
हाँ हाँ, अभी एक 15 किलोमीटर बाकी है अभी, वो जाने के बाद कंटिन्यू कर लेंगे.
हाँ, यस यस यस, थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू
हाँ,
फॉर ज्वाइनिंग.
ऑन द वे हूँ, फार्म हाउस जा रहा हूँ सर. ओके ओके, कंटिन्यू सर.
हाँ सर, तब तक मैं कंटिन्यू करता हूँ. Okay, okay. See guys, usually I use a scanner. Okay, you can even use advanced scanners. There are advanced scanners if you build, no. Some of my friends, they are using very advanced scanners. So I will get to know, and in fact, if it is very useful, first I will test it, then I will share with you people. First I should test myself. If it is useful, then only I will share with you people. Okay. So now what Raju sir was telling, I will just try to highlight it. He shared very important points that I have not told. I assume that everybody knows about EMA 20 conditions. Some of the conditions, if you don't know, I will just highlight. First of all, we have two things: EMA 20 daily and EMA 20 hourly. That things we consider. Okay. Now, any stock, if it sustains the EMA 20, for example, before this candle, right, it is below EMA 20. So we have to wait. We have to wait for the stock to hold this EMA 20. Now in this candle, it is definitely holding EMA 20. If you can see here, the level is approximately 270. So the stock is holding EMA 20 on the daily time frame. Okay. So I will add that indicator EMA 20. Okay, you can do your own setting for this graph. You can use your own color, different things. तो मैं setting कर रहा हूँ. Okay, so okay, it is applied. The problem with Sherkan is Saturdays and Sundays it gives very इसका response अच्छा नहीं रहता है. Always we have some issues with the server. Okay. It is not that you can use any software. Just I'm using Sherkan. It is good for me, so I use it. Okay. So see, with this Apollo tire, I have personally traded this, so I know this. So this is the EMA 20 line. Okay, EMA 20 level 217.5 on 14th September. This was on 14th September, right? Then we go to daily time, hourly time frame. We choose the data for 30 days. So now we are into hourly time frame. If you see here, this line, it belongs to hourly. When the stock sustained above, okay, On this particular day, there was a gap up. This particular day, which is again, this was the 13th September. This is 14th September. From 13th September to 14th September, so early morning 9:15, there was a gap up. So the stock started trading around 216. If you see here, then on that particular day, what happened? The stock went above EMA 20 daily also. So this is very much clear here. So that is why I have drawn here a reference line. Then what we have to do is we have to get into lower time frame, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, so that we check the volume. Okay, and one point added by Raju sir that I will highlight what he was trying to say. Right, now I'll go to lower time frame. So first thing is the stock should sustain above EMA 20 daily and EMA 20 hourly. And one more thing, this gap up, always remember, when there is a gap up and the gap up is sustaining EMA 20 hourly or EMA 20 daily, then consider on that particular day the stock is going to do very well if the gap up is sustained. This is one more point. I have mentioned this in the group. Okay, then we'll go to 5 minutes time frame. This is the reference line which I had drawn. Okay, so you can see here from here to here the almost volumes are somewhat this type, but from this the volumes are increasing. From this point the volumes are increasing, and one more point which was identified Raju sir is in 5 minutes or 15 minutes time frame, this EMA 20 should be, this EMA 20 means the stock should trade above this EMA 20. Okay, this EMA 20 line, now it is perfectly, it is, no, this stock is trading above this EMA 20 line in 5 minutes time frame. We will check in 15 minutes time frame as well. This is what sir was trying to mention. So here is the line. You can see here when the stock is when there was a gap up early morning, from that point only the stock is trading above 15 minutes time frame also. Okay, and it is above 5 minutes time frame, it is above 15 minutes time frame, also above daily and hourly. So from here, from this candle, it is very much clear that the stock is sustaining everything and it is good to go. Let's say if you take entry here, because it is sustaining, right? If you take entry here, your stop loss should be below this gap up point. Then usually if you keep the stop loss somewhere here, and in this case, no, you will not have a problem of stop loss. So usually you will get like 1:2, 1:3 very easily in just 15 to 20 minutes. And in that time, the option premium will very easily increase. And let's say if you're taken at the money call, definitely you'll get easily 2 to 3 points. Very easily 2 to 3 points you will get it. So two more points added by Raju sir, that the stock also should hold, or also it should support that EMA 20 5 minutes and 15 minutes trend. If it is below, let's say here the stock is below 5 minutes or 15 minutes, 15 minutes time frame EMA line. It should not be like this. It should be like this. See here, again it came down. It has taken the support of 15 minutes EMA 20 line. Then it has gone up. And now if you see from here, it is continuously trading near EMA 15 line. Here, again from here, it has shown a good move. So this is what Raju sir added some points. Okay. And one more thing. End of the day, we'll just check was it the end of the day time, 2 p.m. So at the end of the day you can take the trade. Let's say if you have taken the trade here, there was next day gap up, there was a gap up, so you could have enjoyed this move. Okay, but don't enter at the peak. That's what he said. Wait for the end of the day, and as he's what he has experienced, he's saying that this will continue for 2 to 3 days. This will continue for 2 to 3 days if everything is correct. If everything is correct. Okay. And one more thing here we need to understand is at the upper levels, there should not be supply zones, right? When you are trading EMA 20 breakout, make sure there are no supply zones on the upside. So here there was a supply zone. So let's say if you have traded, then near the supply zone, very near to the execution time frame, you should consider booking. See, this supply zone is weak because this is already tested. So this supply zone, if you see, it is also tested, but from here the stock came down because there was selling in the market. There was selling in the market on Friday. Otherwise, I think this stock was doing very well. I was expecting this stock to touch 240. This I have mentioned also, but somehow due to selling pressure, the stock has come down. Okay, I hope I have made some things clear. Raghu sir, I think you need to pin my screen if you are not seeing it. Sorry, I saw this comment very late. But these are the things what Raju sir tried to highlight. Now we'll see if Bharadar sir, if you are here, if you can hear me, can you continue and share your experience about trading? Bharat sir is still not there. Kiran sir, आप पहुंच गए? Okay, if by the time they are free, you can ask your questions. I'll try to answer. मैं देखता हूँ चैट में कोई क्वेश्चन रह गया है क्या? Wise problem. I think wise problem should not be there now. आवाज ब्रेक. Okay. तब हो रहा था. अभी शायद नहीं होगा. आवाज ब्रेक नहीं होगा. Okay, now you can ask your questions. I'll try to answer if और कोई डाउट हो तो. I think Raju sir, I have. Okay, that we will see. Raju sir, I think I have put it all the points. Or did I miss any point, sir?
No, sir. I have covered all.
Okay, thank you, sir. So that's what means. Screen sharing would help. That's what Pankaj said. No, Pankaj sir. That's what I tried with this screen sharing.
Show in daily time frame also, sir. Actually, I told you, that EMA 20 breakout will carry for 2 to 3 days.
Yeah,
but some stocks it is there.
Exactly. And one more thing here I would like to say is, this is you're trading a breakout. Okay, it is not positional one. So you should keep this thing in mind. If there is some selling pressure, if there is something which is uneven in the market, then you should square off your trade. Like which happened on the Friday session, everything was good. Suddenly selling came. So these are some things which we will learn with experience only. This stock was doing very good. See here it has given EMA 20 breakout. From this point, if you see 217, the stock went to 228 also. It has touched 228. In just 1 or 2 days, say 1, 2, 3, 4, almost 4 days, the stock has run up by 10 points. This one, there are a few more examples. Like Indus India Bank, everybody knows. See, it has given EMA 20 breakout here around 1005 level. The stock touched 1185. If you calculate, it is approximately 180 rupees more. This will continue if everything is perfect. Means, let's say there is no supply zone on the upper side, or if there is supply zone which is tested, okay, and let's say the sector is also supporting, then definitely you can hold it positional also. So that's what these things are very good. Here, one more thing is we should know the background picture. See, about Indus India Bank, it was trading for a long time in a particular range. And everybody is expecting breakout in this stock. Almost all the traders are expecting breakout in the stock. How to catch the breakout? That's what we have tried to find a method, and still we are improving on it. Okay, so this is one way which we feel that we can easily study and pick the breakout very easily. Let's say if the stock has moved by 2%, we don't worry, because we will catch another 3% on the upside. And let's say you are happy with the profit, maybe 1,000, 2,000, you can book it. Then if you are feeling that, okay, I should have holded it for a long time, those things You will learn with experience. You learn with experience, because one thing I would like to show here is when you should hold the option, when you should not hold the option. So usually 15 minutes, 10 minutes or 5 minutes time frame will give you a fair idea whether to hold the option or not to hold the option. So whenever you see these continuous green candles, okay, such kind of candles, see it is continuously upside. There is no downside. There is no downside. So in this case, you can hold the option. But whenever you see that some of the levels are broken, then definitely you can exit with the option. Usually what I do is, I see this pattern. Let's say this is the point from where the move started. It came here. Again, it has not come down to this level. It consolidated, it went up. Again, it consolidated, it went up. Again, it consolidated, it went up. But this is the first time where it consolidated, it came down till this point. So I think you can consider here exiting. This is not consolidation. If you see, it is coming down, right? So whenever you are into option trade, when to exit, you can consider these things. If say you are getting confused with other things, with experience you will learn each and everything. But this one you can just taking entry and exit, this you can follow. And if you are a positional trader, if you are holding the stock for 2 to 3 days, 4 5 days, then you should not have a problem, because once you have done your study completely, then it will not make any problem. See, I was holding ITC like from 4 levels, 2 lots. Actually, I was holding 3 lots. What happened? ITC went from 4 level to 7. Then it came down. Again, it went up to 6. Then it came down. It did so many things. But I was very much sure ITC will touch 220, 230, which came in just 1 hour. So when your study is perfect, okay, when you as and when you gain experience, as and when you start monitoring the screen, I'm not telling that you are monitoring the what you can say, your profit or loss. Whenever you are monitoring the chart screen, then you will learn these small things. I think this will definitely help you. What I said, this is very good momentum. The stock is in continuous uptrend. There is no downtrend. From here, if you see, the consolidation was broken. Let's say here you can exit this option if you have taken the trade. Even ITC, if you see, for intraday, this is, instead of making 5 to 10,000 rupees loss, if you make a profit of 1,000, even 500, that is very good. Now this is 5 minutes chart for ITC. Let's say you have seen this stock and you are into this stock and you are waiting for good upside. Where you will exit? You will exit here? No. We'll wait. We'll exit here? No. Here there is no point in exiting. Here, yes, here you can see you may get feeling that exit. But if you see the close of the candle again here at this level, you need not exit. But here it went high. It made this red candle. So definitely these are small things. Here you can exit at this point. At this point you can exit. From here to here, there was no point of exiting. But with this candle, okay, there is some selling happening. I can exit. When there is strong momentum in the stock. In that case, I'm giving you this plan. Okay, otherwise definitely you can follow supply zone and other things to take entry and exit quickly. This is for quick entry, quick exit. Usually we'll get confused, no? So refer 5 minutes time frame. In the 5 minutes time frame, if you don't see any big red candles, definitely you can hold it for good upside targets. It happens, right? Because ITC, I think many people have exited at 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, but it went till 24. I'm talking about ITC 210C. Even Indus India Bank, there was option of 1,000 call, which was around 30 to 50 rupees. I know it because I have traded. It went 100 plus level. It went to 100 plus level. Okay. So those are the things. Even Kotak India Bank, its option of 1,000, 1,800 call, it became almost more than 2 times. But for that, we need to study a lot of study. Then almost things will be fine. At 1175 level in indecent event, there is a good supply zone. Yes. These are the points where you can consider profit booking. Correct, no? I think most of us are doing very good. With experience, you will learn things. Don't get disappointed if you miss big profits, but get disappointed if you make loss. And try to find out the mistakes where you went wrong and try to correct it. See, losses everybody will make, because in trading there is positive side means there is negative side also. But losses, when you are making losses, at one point you should make a decision to exit that position. Simply holding on to a position which is not giving you profit is meaningless. Okay, that too, especially in options. Okay, in my classes, I never recommend to go into options nakedly. Whenever we recommend, it will be very high probability trade, and we know if there is too much loss happening or maybe loss happening, then we should exit that trade. There is no point in holding the trade which is not performing, right? Yes. Now I think we'll ask Kiran sir. Kiran sir, can you just share your experience of the trading if you are free now?
हाँ सर.
हाँ सर, प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
हेलो.
हाँ सर, प्लीज कंटिन्यू सर.
अभी अपन ने कल के दिन मारुति का चार्ट देखा था. मारुति का चार्ट देखा था आपने कल के दिन. हेलो.
सर कंटिन्यू.
मारुति के चार्ट के अंदर जैसे 1 आवर और 1 डे के 20 EMA के ऊपर जैसे सस्टेन होता है प्राइस, तो ऊपर उसके ऊपर जो है ना वो 50 EMA खड़ा है, तो उसके अंदर वो 50 EMA उसको नीचे दबा देता है. तो उसको देखना है कभी भी कि इसके आगे कभी भी देखना है कि इसमें बाइंग प्रेशर इतना ज़्यादा होना चाहिए कि वो 50 EMA को भी क्रॉस कर जाए आराम से. नहीं तो क्या होता है, इसके अंदर अपना ऑप्शन का प्रीमियम कम होते रहता है. उसके तो बहुत सारे रीजंस है, वो तो कम होते होते टाइम डिके हो जाता है, क्योंकि वहाँ साइडवेज अगर कर दिया उसने तो गेम हो जाता है अपना. तो ये एक इसके अंदर का एक पॉइंट मैं निकाला हूँ, 50 EMA, तो ये उसको दबा देता है. बहुत रेयर केस में ऐसे होता है, लेकिन फंसते अपन वही है. हेलो.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
हाँ, यस सर. हेलो.
कंटिन्यू
हेलो
सर.
किरण सर. हाँ किरण सर.
हाँ जी.
हाँ सर, आप बोल रहे हो कि अदर देन मतलब 20 EMA को छोड़ के भी आपको अपने को 50 EMA का भी ध्यान रखना है.
ध्यान रखना चाहिए. क्यों, क्या होता है, 50 EMA अभी मारुति को नीचे दबाया हुआ है. 1 डे का चार्ट देखिए आप.
ओके, इसको सस्टेन कर रहा था ये 50, इसको सस्टेन किया पहले, फिर से नीचे आया. सर आप कौन से टाइम फ्रेम पे बोल रहे हो, वीकली?
ये 1 डे में.
ओके. नहीं, यहाँ पे ये इसको सस्टेन कर रहा है ना सर?
हाँ सर, देखो इसमें जो भी है वो 4 दिन पहले ब्रेकआउट मिल चुका था अपने को.
हाँ. करेक्ट.
ये इसके अंदर का, और ऊपर 50 EMA खड़ा है, तो उसने 3 दिन तो कम से कम, ये तो मिनिमम 3 दिन हो गए, कभी कभी 5 दिन, एक हफ्ता भी निकाल देता है. और एक हफ्ता निकालने अपना टाइम डिके है, उसमें ये इंट्रिंसिक वैल्यू है, और ये ऑप्शन के अंदर अगर हम फंस गए ना तो ये जीरो होने में भी टाइम नहीं लगता, क्योंकि मार्केट सेंटिमेंट जब निगेटिव हो जाते हैं बाय चांस, तो इसमें फंसते हैं सब लोग.
ओके.
इसमें ध्यान देना चाहिए सर, बिल्कुल बारीकी से. जो 20 MA अपन देखते हैं ना, इसमें सब लोग 20 MA को ही कंसिडर करते हैं, लेकिन इसके आजू बाजू क्या क्या खड़ा है वो देखना चाहिए सर।
ओके ओके, तो हाँ सर, एनी अदर पॉइंट, कोई और पॉइंट है जो आप ये करना चाहोगे?
नहीं सर, अभी तो नहीं सर, अभी नहीं।
ओके, तो किरण सर का यही पॉइंट है। सो वेन एवर आपको ब्रेकआउट मिलता है तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, अगर इंट्राडे में हो तो EMA 20 के पास आप प्रॉफिट एग्जिट कर सकते हो। अगर मतलब वो तो इधर इधर क्लियरली दिख रहा है कि 3 दिन उसने होल्ड करके रखा है इसको, अगर आप सिर्फ EMA 50 पे फोकस कर रहे हो तो। ये जो ग्रे वाला लाइन है मैंने ऐड किया है EMA 50 का, ये इसने इसको होल्ड करके रखा है। जब इसने इसको मतलब क्रॉस किया, ये लेवल 6965 इसको क्रॉस किया, तब एक सिग्निफिकेंट अपसाइड मूव आया मारुति में। ओके, एंड what other point I would like to highlight here is, it may not happen in all the stocks, but definitely in whichever stock it is happening, we need to consider this, क्योंकि जब आप ऑप्शन ट्रेड लेते हो तो आपको ये ध्यान में रखना पड़ेगा। So one more point which is identified here is, we should always consider EMA 50 line as well. Okay, okay, तो अगर इसने यहाँ पे इसको रेजिस्टेंस की तरह काम कर रहा है ना, तो देयर इज नो पॉइंट इन होल्डिंग इट। तो उसको बुक करना है जब फ्रेश आपको अच्छा पोजीशन मिलता है, तो वहां पे आप देख सकते हो। ओके, ओके, एनीथिंग एल्स? Okay, so any
Sir, can you summarize Raju sir point once again?
yeah. Okay, I will explain in English. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So what Raju sir said, I'll just highlight, and what Kiran sir said, that also I'll highlight. So we are trading with EMA 20 breakout. Okay, that everybody know. And Maruti, what happened on this particular day? If you see, no, before this Maruti is below EMA 20. Before this candle, if you take the date, it is 9th September. But on 10th September, what happened? It started trading above EMA 20. So first thing we should look for this. आपको EMA 20 को सस्टेन करना है, देन आप आवरली में चेक करो क्या हो रहा है पिक्चर। सो वी आर इनटू आवरली टाइम फ्रेम। This is 9th September, this is 10th September. Okay, so 10th September there was a gap up and the stock was already holding this EMA 20 due to the gap up. आवरली का भी होल्ड कर रहा है, डेली का भी होल्ड कर रहा है। उसके बाद क्या होगा? We are expecting a rally in this stock because it is holding both. So this is a good closing above this. So always we should look for this. The stock should hold both EMA 20 daily and EMA 20 hourly. जब ये होता है तो आपको क्या करना है? 5 minutes 15 minutes टाइम फ्रेम पे जाना है। I have to go back. This is 3rd September, 13th. Okay, here as the stock is holding both the EMAs, so here we are looking here. This is the portion here, the stock is consolidating. Okay, and Raju sir highlighted one more point, that the stock should also hold 15-minute and 5-minute EMA line. 15-minute and 5-minute EMA line it should respect. It should trade above 15 and 5 minutes EMA line. Then only it is good to enter. So here एक कंसोलिडेशन हुआ। अगर हम इसको वॉल्यूम ऐड करते हैं, मारुति में मतलब इतना परफेक्ट सिनारियो नहीं बन रहा है कि हम एंट्री ले सकें। ओके, तो मैं दूसरा एग्जांपल लेता हूं, वहां पे बेस्ट सिचुएशन हो, लाइक बायोकॉन। मतलब आपको इजीली समझ आ सके, वही पॉइंट है, राइट। देखिए इस पॉइंट पे बायोकॉन होल्ड कर रहा है, EMA20 दोनों लाइन है अभी ऑलरेडी। जब भी आप लाइन को देखोगे ना, मतलब whenever you see the lines, you please make sure you are observing this parameter. D means daily, intraday 60 minute. Observe these things. So when the stock is holding both the levels, so it is holding both the levels. It is holding both the levels. So here there is good spike in that 1 hour time frame, but we want to catch this. We want to catch this. So whenever the stock is holding the daily EMA20 and hourly EMA20, this stock is on our radar. And many of us, sharing that, okay, this is EMA20, it is holding. So that is one good thing, that our team effort is also good. So see here, when the stock is holding this EMA20, 360 above, it is definitely holding. Okay. And one more point is that it is also trading above 5 minutes EMA20. Both are good things here. So let's say here, and see the volumes. There are no volumes in this stock. There are no volumes in the stock. As soon as the stock is trying to trade above EMA20, what happens is, I'll tell you one more thing. EMA20, as I discussed in the class, EMA20 is a point where algo traders are very active. Means they are programmed orders. So let's say algo traders, short sides, stop losses are getting triggered. A short covering will come. A short covering will come, and we'll see good volumes built up. So that is the logic. In 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes time frame, we break that hourly candle and we see there should be volume spike. See here, there is very good volume spike, right? If you compare to these volumes, even this volume is good. So let's say here it is good volume. Why there are volumes are coming? Because the stock is sustaining EMA20 daily and hourly. So algo traders short positions will be, all the stop loss will start getting triggered. तो उसकी वजह से वॉल्यूम बढ़ता है. So volumes are increasing. As the volumes are increasing, here you are very sure, okay, this candle, here we will get confidence. Here the volumes are good. Here again follow buying is coming. So let's say here you decide to enter somewhere in between. Then you see there is one-sided rally. Okay. Then you can close at a comfortable profit. And this rally, it continued. It did not close on the same day. There was next day there was a gap up. After the gap up, it came down. Okay. So this is how we can definitely trade. So other points what sir highlighted is, we should track the 15 minutes EMA and 5 minutes EMA. The stock should sustain that. Then it is good to hold. Or good to entry. If the stock is not holding 5 minutes or 15 minutes EMA, then don't enter. Okay. These are the points suggested by Raju sir, and Kiran sir is suggesting this point. Always check EMA 50 also. EMA 50. Sometimes it will act like resistance. So please take care of this point as well. Because in option trading, if you're making sure of all the parameters, then you will get very good gains. Even if you miss one parameter also, it will hurt you very bad. Right? Because all of your profit will come into no loss, no profit situation, or maybe sometimes you may have to exit the position in loss. Okay, so these are the points which you can make a note of. I'll just take the questions. Sir, check Maruti in daily time frame. Looks perfect scenario what we discussed. It looks. Yes. See, now auto sector is very much bullish, so we can expect like now our focus should be in auto sector and pharma sector for say short-term investment purposes, because pharma sector and auto sector are looking very good. Means I am trying to buy some of the pharma and auto sector stocks. this quarter, it may be, means quarter means some 2 to 3 months. Definitely we will see very good rally in auto and pharma stocks. That's what I am expecting. So in my portfolio now, I'll try to accumulate the stocks of pharma and auto. Yeah, sir. It has given very good breakout. True, it has given very good breakout. Maybe it will continue, but we may have to see Monday's position, because I have told on Friday, just wait, hold on to your option trades, because Friday's selling, we should just, whether we should see it as a profit booking, or whether is there any problem, major problem, that we will come to know on Monday itself. If there is major problem, the selling will continue Monday. Market will make lower lows. Deepak sir, if you miss the EMA 20 breakout, then you can take the position near the closing, because he said if the stock goes up, it will come down. It will not go up continuously. It will come down. It will give us one more position to take entry in the stock. So you may consider to take the position near closing, okay, around 3 to 3:30 p.m. Okay, that means what sir tried to say is, it may continue the rally and there may be gap up on the next day also. On the next day also, that means the rally may continue. So in some correction, you may take entry. We should not take entry in the peak. If you take entry at the peak, you will be getting stuck at higher levels. So that's what he said.
Okay,
सर
sir.
कौन से टाइम फ्रेम में क्या चेक करना है, प्लीज, लाइक वॉल्यूम, कौन सा टाइम फ्रेम बेस्ट है? EMA 20, EMA 50. EMA 50 आप रेजिस्टेंस के लिए रखो. EMA 20 तो जो मैंने बताया ना अभी, EMA 20 में हमको डेली टाइम फ्रेम और आवरली टाइम फ्रेम में कंफर्म करना है कि स्टॉक उसको सस्टेन करे. फर्स्ट थिंग इज द स्टॉक शुड सस्टेन EMA 20 daily and hourly. When it sustains, when it comfortably sustains, then in the lower time frame, 5 minutes, 10 minutes time frame, check, are there volumes building up? If there are volume building up, then only we will take the trade, because volume built up हो रहा है तो वहां पे fresh positions बन रहे हैं long side के, and the short side positions are getting squared off from the algo traders. Means they are programmed things so that they do it. अभी यहाँ पे परफेक्ट एग्जांपल है ना बायोकॉन का. सी द प्रॉब्लम इज, यहाँ पे आपको पता नहीं है क्या होने वाला है. हियर वी डोंट नो व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन, राइट? बिकॉज सी एट दिस पॉइंट वी डोंट नो वेदर द स्टॉक इज गोइंग टू डू वेल और नॉट, because it is below EMA 20. So we are not trading. But one thing is very much sure, that the stock is consolidating near EMA 20. So such stocks should be on our radar. And the stock is continuously sustaining near EMA 20 and consolidating near EMA 20. These stocks should be on our radar. These are the breakout structures. So when you see the stock, let it consolidate. Let it consolidate. So as per our EMA concept, what we do is, first we check whether the stock is holding EMA 20 daily and hourly. Two things. So on this particular day, okay, you ignore this upper portion of the candle. You ignore this. Okay. So I have drawn this EMA 20 hourly daily line here on this particular day. When the stock was sustaining above 360, it was on our radar, because already we have pre-planned it. Okay. And here, if you see, with this morning, this candle, it started trading above this EMA 20, which is 357 level. Here, this is 357 level. See, we want to catch this candle. So imagine this candle has not formed. So we have drawn EMA hourly line at 357, and also our EMA 20 daily line is also ready. It is ready. These two lines are ready. We have drawn it. Okay. In computer, we'll get it automatically. So these are ready. Then what we will do, we'll check in 5 minutes, 15 minutes time frame for the volume. Okay, for that we'll draw reference line as well. So here is our reference line. This is the reference line. So because the stock is sustaining the EMA 20 line, I'll just go back 60 minutes and check where the price action started. Okay, here it started. So as it sustains the EMA 20 levels, both daily and hourly, then it is on our radar. Okay. So here it is sustaining 360 above. It is comfortably sustaining both EMA 20 and EMA 20 hourly. Daily को भी sustain कर रहा है, hourly को भी sustain कर रहा है. Then you see the volumes. You see the volumes. From this point, the volumes are interesting. Here there are no volumes, not at all any volumes. Here the volumes are interesting. Understand the concept. Why the volumes are getting increasing? Because here algo traders around 360, around 357, they try to square off their position if the stock is doing very well. So around 360, if it is sustaining both the levels, then definitely short traders will square off their position, long positions will build. Because of that, you see the volumes are building up. Let's say you try to take an entry here after 360, maybe at 361, 362, wherever. Let's say I've taken entry. See, after that, what happens? Next candle is a huge candle. Okay. So then it has made a high of so much. Or you may book somewhere here also. It is up to you. But if you catch this trade perfectly, like this, there are n number of examples which we have traded in the group. But sometimes some of the stocks they consolidate more, some of the stocks they consolidate less, some of the stocks immediately they give breakout. But this is what we are observing. And as I told you, this is the breakout structure which we have to monitor. This structure, please ignore this green candle, this structure. I have shared some of the examples of this type. Okay, if the market is neutral, if the market is not too much negative, okay, if the market is not negative, if the market is good, then definitely this will give you very good returns. Okay, sir, on Friday SBI opened pre-market above all the time high, so I thought to position at opening and it gone 3-4 points higher and all the way came down. Unfortunately, I had booked some loss in option position. So how to crack such? No, yeah, sure, it was not fake breakout. One thing I'll tell you, whenever the stock is at all-time high, so the people who have taken the positions at 300, maybe lower levels, they may book profit. So whenever the stock comes near lifetime high, don't trade such stocks. If there is any breakout scenario, then you trade. Because in the breakout scenario, SBI has given a breakout near, what is that? If you check SBI, it has given breakout near 330, 340 level, if I am right. So around 426 level, it has given breakout and it has went to this point. It made a lifetime high, then it came down. It came down due to profit booking, maybe. So these things we need to understand with price action only. So if I show you in 5 minutes, 10 minutes candle, if you are seeing the chart on that particular day, like you will get the idea why it came down. There was a huge gap up. After the gap up, the stock started consolidating and it has not made any good green candles. See, the gap up did not sustain and it came down. But as per breakout, if you are trading in options, please refer to the breakout. If the gap up is not sustained, then we have to exit. If the gap up is not sustained, then we have to exit. This gap up was not sustained, right? Then we have to exit. Because when we are trading at lifetime high, we should be very careful. So if gap up is not sustained or anything of that sort, then we should exit. It was a breakout if, say, there was no selling pressure, but suddenly the selling pressure came, and the stocks which came under pressure is SBI is the main stock. Other stock was ICICI Bank and Axis Bank. These were the stocks which came into pressure. As Kotak and HDFC did very well, means the bank nifty closed in green, otherwise it was red. Dudla Dairy, why Dudla Dairy? I'll check, sir. Okay, it has given EMA 20 breakout. One good thing that you identified it. We'll see the higher time frames. Okay, it is IPO stock. It is IPO stock, I think, right? Or maybe I don't know where it will go, because हमारे पास इतना ज़्यादा डेटा नहीं है ना. It may make higher highs only. Who knows? But looks strong. Looks strong. हमारे पास ज़्यादा डेटा नहीं है तो हम कुछ बोल नहीं सकते सर. यस. अगर गैप अप होता है तो आपको छोटे टाइम फ्रेम में कुछ वीकनेस दिखता है तो आपको एग्जिट करना है, क्योंकि ट्रेडिंग एट लाइफ टाइम हाई स्टॉक्स इज स्लाइटली डिफिकल्ट एज पर यश. सर दूधला डेयरी लुकिंग गुड, बट उतना ज्यादा डेटा नहीं है हमारे पास. ओके, ये मैं रिकॉर्डिंग बंद करता हूँ, शायद